Some time ago I ordered OBD2 scanner from eBay, very cheap one actually, and I want to check what it's worth. Today I received by post. Let's unpacking. There is a small bag inside the other bag. The inside is small OBD. This looks like that. It's called ELM327. And also inside this small CD if you want use with the laptop or computer, but I will try use by Bluetooth with my mobile phone. Okay, this is what I found, and I want to check how much it's worth to buy. It's a digital Bluetooth car scanner called ELM327 V21 OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. It's a car diagnostic interface for Android. Let's check what is in description from seller. Okay, key features. Read diagnostic trouble codes, both generic and manufacturer specific, and display their meaning over 3,000 generic code. Clear trouble codes and turn off the MIL and the check engine light. Function. Read the diagnostic trouble codes, both generic and manufacturer specific, and display their meaning over 3,000 generic code. Clear trouble codes and turn off the MIL and the check engine light. Display current sensor data including engine RPM, calculated load value, coolant temperature, fuel system status, vehicle speed, short-term fuel trim, long-term fuel trim, intake, manifold pressure, timing advance, intake air temperature, airflow rate, absolute throat position, oxygen sensor, voltage, short-term fuel trims, fuel system status, fuel pressure, and many others. We'll see. There is a description from the seller. So first I need to go to Google Play Store and install Torque app. There was the first disappointment. I show you why. When I type Torque app, there is a many different apps, but the seller thinking about Torque Pro or Torque Lite with the yellow engine picture. So there was the first disappointed, because seller write nothing about the available option from the app. So I choose Lite, and about this app is this app measures vehicle brake horsepower, torque, clear, OBD, DTC faults. See what your car is doing in real time, get fault code, sensor data, and more. Some features included: shows reset engine fault, export map, engine blah blah blah, head-up display, many more. But this is a free basic version. It's let you get a feel for application, lets you find if It works with your vehicle OBD2 adapter combination, but many contain small bugs, including not working on some Nissan, Chrysler, Subaru ECUs. The paid version has support for more vehicles. That's a surprise, because I need to pay extra for the Pro version. And also, the paid version has more features, like horsepower torque, 0 to 60, quarter mile test, graph data, map track view, no adverts of course, and extra DR display types and better ABS, knock sensor support, transmission temperature, support for some makes of car trucks, GM, Ford, etc. and turbo boost on many more vehicles including VW. So I'm not sure what included the light version. I pre-installed before, so I open now and the welcome. And I will go to the car and try to connect with OBD2. Let's see what's happened. The OBD2 socket is under the steering wheel, right here. There is a red LED light that shows already connected. Now go to your mobile, tap the setting, find the Bluetooth and tap the load more and you should find OBD2. Then tap. Don't forget switch on the ignition. Okay, I see it's connected. So let's see what is here, and it's possible to read and clear the errors. Let's check. I tap show the faults, errors. Please wait. And show me an error. My error is P0016. Okay. So it's a crank cam positioning. And I tapped clear before, and now switch on the engine and let's see. The light's still on? No, it's gone. So clear the errors. Oh, clever small device. And there is more information which you can read from this device. Oh, it's less than £5 with delivery, so I think it's worth it. Because if you want to clear the errors in the car mechanic, is few times more expensive. Thank you for watching.